Welcome back. Just thought I would make some material tags today. It's just got a bit of old, it's not a very thick calico type of calico or cotton, something like that. I do like a good material tag. Now I'm just doing them doubled up so that they're a bit thicker and got a little bit more substance. I'm just roughly cutting them, and I thought I've got a little box of scraps, so I thought I would have a bit of a hunt through that and see what I can make, see what comes up. Oh, I love this. A bit of Liberty alongside. I might work on all of them at the same time. Now they don't have to match. Some of these pieces will be from the workshop with the Roxy girls. Some of them are just what I've got in my stash. No, honestly, everything's a bit autumn at the moment, so I will definitely make an autumn one so it can go into my little book. This one's a bit brighter. Not sure if I want to keep them all uniform or no. I think they'll be individual and I can put them in different places. It's a bit samey at the moment with the block at the bottom, but everything will change as soon as you start getting it down. And this beautiful bit. Pin them down and I can trim that. These are my little embroidery scissors. I've been hunting around to see if I can find some more because they cut material so well, but I also fussy cut with them and they have not in 4 years got blunt. They still cut everything so well, and I wish I could find, but it's almost like they're not making them anymore or something. There are some similar that I found on Temu the other day, but they don't seem to have this one. They just seem to be like 2 pointy ones. Anyway, I've ordered a few. I have ordered some off Temu to give them a try out and see if there's something I particularly like. Oh, this is a bit of avocado dyed white cut work, which I loved. It's quite thick, but I love it. I don't think it's, actually, I was going to say I don't think it'll go with that, but it actually doesn't. It's not too bad. Put that down. Right, that's a bit grungy, that bit, so that's coming off. That green might go with that. Let me move some things. Can't wait to finish the middle table in the room so as I can get some more space. Now I think I might, just on this one, I might, I'll pin it first, but I might just trim down that side a little bit. Because it's a bit skewy at the moment. Trim at the top. I like that. This one I think will be nice with something, just something under there, just goes in there. Upside down. just like that little bit poking out there. Now what else have I got in this tub? I don't know if anyone can hear that in the background. It sounds like there's a Mr. Whippy van. What do you call them in other places? In Australia we call them Mr. Whippy, the man with the van that goes down the street selling ice cream to children. Mr. Whippy, I don't know. Is there a different name in different places? Maybe there is. Oh, that's good. I like that one. That's ready to have some stitching on the back. This one needs a little trim and another bit of material. This kind of, that goes all right. Matches that really well. Possibly might be good along the top. There we go. That's nice. Pin it. Bit brown. That'll go with this probably. Try to match that to that. Bit of that there. I'll just trim this. Alright, we've got our bottom layers and one more bottom layer of this. Oh, this is very, very bright. Maybe let's mix that up a bit. This might be better down here. Then it breaks it up a little bit in terms of having a gap if I'm going to put something else like that yellow flower. I like that yellow flower. So I'm going to put that yellow flower under here. And cut it. Actually, let's just start again. I've got that on there. I've got that as an idea between, but I think I'm going to cut it here under the yellow flower. Put this overlapped there. And then that overlaps here. This one's a lot brighter than the other two, although I do love this bit of Liberty. Now that could be that way or that way or that way. No, I think we'll do it this way. And I'll just trim that side a bit. I mean, the thing is that these tags are for anywhere, just to put in your stash. Not sure that I'm happy about this spot here. I'm going to cut this. So we see a bit more of the flower. I might actually just round that That makes a bit more sense to me. I've still got so many little scrappy bits and pieces, but I think what I'll do is stitch all these backgrounds. If you've been watching, you know I've been having a little bit of trouble with my hands, so I might make them look almost like they're cantha stitched by doing stitches with the sewing machine, because it just preserves my hands a little bit and means that I can do some embellishing with the slow stitching. Okay, so they're finished. I just inserted a little bit of showing me doing the stitching on the machine. So they're like, they feel like quilted, but they haven't got the thicker batting. So they're sort of a nice cardstock weight, I think. Get these straggly bits off. And now they're ready to be decorated. So first I'm going to have a look in my little box of little bits and pieces, and I already did find a couple of interesting things. This one. Now that was going to go up that way, but now I'm thinking, see, this is what you don't know. You just don't know till you're doing it what works. And I'm thinking that this material came from Natalie. I'm getting good use this week out of Natalie's things, and I love that. I love that. And I'm wondering if I want to use it all in one go, because honestly, if I cut it up, I can get more mileage out of it. But I also like it like that now. And now I'm thinking I want to have a look how this looks down here. Okay, sometimes you just have to put things down. Even this one, that did start up that way. Actually, they all started with the solid at the bottom. Quite like that. What else have I got in this little stash? Oh, little things like that. Okay, I am adding in my little bits and pieces, some little buttons. I'm not doing a lot. I think that the tags are fairly, I'd like them as they are, but I thought they'd just had that little bit of extra, like buttons, mostly buttons, French laundry tag, those sorts of things that just really add some interest. I'm liking these little clusters of 3. I've already finished the other 2, so I'll show you in a sec. Just thought though, with this one, 3 little blue buttons. Love those blues with that yellow. Gorgeous. found an offcut off the side of a probably a side table placemat thing, something like that, and I thought I would put it on the top of this one, so it's got a little bit that you can grab to pull it in and out of the pocket. Just get around the edge here a bit. These were cute. I think they were like little hand crocheted around the edge of this beautiful grey browny linen. Lovely. I think what I'll do is just do a bit up over here just to get it secure. And I'll show you the other two. So easy to pull in and out of the pocket. I do have another tub with some more French laundry labels in, which I just can't at the moment find, as I'm doing another rearrange and filling up some more plastic tubs and sorting things. Once it's done and all the boxes are emptied, I'll be able to actually rearrange them in the room according to whatever their topic is. So there it is. 1, 2, I added 3 buttons down here. 3, I added a little French laundry label and 3 buttons on that one. And this one will be going into my Roxy's book, my little book that I'm making. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I love making material tags. I used to like making paper tags, and I still do, but I think I really love making material tags. Hope it is inspiring for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.